Okay, so this is driver's side left turn signal on. With no headlights on. So I got my running lights are flashing, my left turn signal's flashing. I even have my everything for the running lights is flashing right now when the left turn signal is on. Even the right turn signal. Now this is the left turn signal, but the running lights are all flashing. The one that's not lit is the other turn signal. So the passenger side, the right side turn signals do not go on, but everything flashes. So all the running lights flash when I have my left turn signal on. Alright. And it actually, everything inside here, all the running lights, everything starts flickering. And this is without any headlights on. Alright, so you turn it on, right turn signal. And right turn signal is fine. Right turn signal works. Now this is when the lights are off. So when the lights are on, left turn signal when the lights are on. Left turn signal when the lights are on stays on, does not blink. Running lights are very flickering just a little bit, not much. That's just because of the flash. Running lights work, turn signal stays on. That's when the lights are on. It clicks, does not flash. Right side, when the lights are on, the left side stays lit. The arrow stays lit, the light stays lit, we still have right turn signal. So when the lights are on, the left side stays lit. Turn lights back off. Right side turn signal, again, is fine. When you turn the left side on, without the lights on, everything flashes. Running lights flash, and the left turn signal works.